Hello everyone, today I'm at Penrith Station to see Class A1 number 60163 Tornado and Class 86 Les Ross. Tornado will be on a light engine movement from Penrith Steamtown to Carlisle to haul part of the return journey of the Cumbrian Coast Express. It will haul the train from Carlisle to Penrith. After this, Les Ross would rejoin the train and haul it back to London Euston. I was expecting Tornado to come straight through platform 2, but instead it stopped at platform 3. I decided to walk round to the platform, even though I had no idea how long it would stop for. It then left after a 9-minute stop. Then Class 86 86259 Les Ross passed through the station. It was hauling the Cumbrian Coast Express from London Euston to Carlisle. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.